Hello everyone, my name is Professor Bartel and I will be your instructor for this course. Since this is an online class and most of us are never going to meet in person, I thought I'm going to make a little video to introduce myself and tell you a couple of things about myself. First of all, I grew up in Germany. As you might be able to tell from my accent, I hope you can still understand me. I completed my undergraduate degree in economics at a school in Germany called the University of Mannheim. And then I moved to the United States to start graduate school at the University of Kansas. I received my PhD from the University of Kansas in 2014, and my research was mostly on microeconomic theory. And one of the reasons why I'm really excited to be teaching this class is that some of the topics actually overlap with what I do in my research. So I work on questions such as how do consumers change their choices if something in the economic environment changes, or I work on questions how do firms decide on how much they produce in what market, and so on. These are kind of the topics that we will also encounter to some degree in this class. After I graduated with my PhD, I first taught at two liberal arts colleges in Virginia and Wisconsin before coming to WT. I have been here for 2 years now, going into my third year, and so far I can say I really enjoy teaching here, and after moving from Wisconsin, I can now definitely say the weather in the wintertime is much more agreeable. In my free time, I mostly enjoy sports. So on the one hand, I like doing sports like running and hiking, for example, in the Palo Duro Canyon that we have here. Or I also enjoy watching sports, mainly college basketball. As a KU graduate, of course, I'm always cheering for the Kansas Jayhawks. And I also enjoy watching the World Cup, where I'm usually cheering on the German team, and I also enjoy watching the Olympics. So sports all around. Okay, so those are probably the most important facts about me. In this first week, I will have a little extra credit assignment for those of you who would like to complete a discussion board and introduce yourself to the class, so I also get to know you a little bit. And I'm looking forward to the class, and if you have any questions at any point during the semester, just always feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can.